Cybersecurity at risk. CVE programs faces funding cuts. Hey everyone, a big cyber alert. A major security program is losing funding, and that's a bad news for all of us. You have heard about software bugs, right? Well, the CVE program tracks the software bugs before the hackers can exploit them. But now, the US is cutting the funds for the CVE program, and that means more delays, less tracking, and more open doors for cyber criminals. Think of CVE like Google Maps for security flaws. Without it, we are driving blind. If the flaws don't get reported fast, then the hackers will have the upper hand. Big companies, small startups, and even hospitals could be left wide open. And that just doesn't affect the US. It's a global ripple effect. So what can we do? Simple. Learn, act, protect. At Win in Life Academy, we train everyday people to become tomorrow's cyber heroes. Whether you're a student, a tech fan, or just curious, we have got your back. Hands-on ethical hacking, cybersecurity basics, and real-world projects. Don't wait for threats. Learn how to stop them. Check out wininlifeacademy.com and start your cybersecurity journey today. The digital world needs defenders, and the next one could be you.